Let's go check out downtown Quito. We are staying in Friends Hostel, which is right here. Our plan for today is we're gonna go out, we're gonna see what the vibe is in the city. Plaza Grande, Plaza San Francisco. We did see some military police walking here when I went to the visitor center. It could be a protest or something. It is kind of interesting walking here with the military walking right in front of you with giant machine guns. So I feel safe and scared at the same time. This is kind of new for me. We're gonna walk around Quito today, go explore this area. I just went to the tourist site and got some information from them. Generally, it's safe to walk around. I'm holding a giant camera with mics on it. Police telling me be careful, put the backpack in front of you, don't go into empty streets. You gotta be careful in Quito. Oh, this is gonna be incredible.
If you want to explore this area, we recommend to start from here, from the main square at San Francisco. So once here, I also mentioned if you like chocolate, you can stop by Jumbo's.
Oh, this is so nice.
So Alia just saw what's in the back, and if I turn my camera, that's the view. Where are we? The vibe here is a lot of fun, a lot of music. I think they are celebrating a chinchilla battle. So they do have wild dogs here, just roaming around, minding their business. Wild dogs all around us. This is Plaza Grande. And we came on the right day because the Ecuadorian people are celebrating a holiday. It's a long weekend for them. So everybody's out and about.
I'm still surprised if that's the same.
Is that for us?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah. So this is Plaza Grande. It's beautiful. The vibe. There is a festival. The Ecuadorian people are celebrating a national holiday. It's a long weekend for them.
The place in itself is gorgeous, especially the background of the mountains covered with clouds. The whole vibe of this place is amazing.
Yeah.
Even though it's very crowded, at the same time, it's still very peaceful to hang out, and you feel safe walking around.
Everybody's minding their own business. Okay, I am totally in love with this place.
Me too.
You know, people mingling, talking. This is all the things that you can do in Plaza Grande, the cathedral, the museums, Palacio Presidencial. December 1524, the main plaza was established on the site of the present Independence Plaza. So from December 20th, 1524. You also have, police all around on segways. Everywhere you look, you see hills and buildings and flags and houses. There's a shoe polish. Now we're gonna walk by some food stalls. Hey, the music, the vibe. Nice to see the police walking around, making sure everybody's tick and tie. What an amazing place. We are done with Plaza Grande. We're gonna go off to something else?
Something else.
We bought some potato chips from this nice lady. I think we gave her a tip for $1 too.
Yes.
Nice spotting, Mom. Those
Oh, of course, yeah.
those potato chips look delicious.
I saw another guy going with potato chips, but they didn't look like. They looked like plantain chips or some other sort of chips.
Yeah,
So I know you wouldn't be interested in that.
yeah.
But this one looked like good, fresh-looking potato chips. I know you dig them.
We just passed by this crowded area with some musicians. This is right behind Plaza Grande. So the street is called Garcia Moreno.
Find a few cathedrals, and there's another beautiful church. I think that has a ticket for the entrance. This is the Plaza Grande. Then we head on this street, and you see this cathedral there. Then you have Quito Center. Then right next to it is the Compañía de Jesus, which we are standing next to right now. And then we're gonna head on to Plaza San Francisco.
On a hunt for a Coke Zero. Let's see if they have it. So we found the place. They had Coke Zero. This big thing is $1.
Just one.
And we're gonna have the local chips that we got from a vendor outside. Kids in our family do not drink Coke, but when we're on vacation on very special occasion, they will have a sip with us. Isa, we actually took him to Guy Fieri's
Fries.
Chicken Guy,
Yeah, chicken guy.
and he tried Fanta, and he did not like it. Ever since then, he does not drink Coke at all. These bags of batatas or chips, they do come with ketchup and mayonnaise. Now, we're not eating that. Right, because I guess that's probably a local thing to eat potato chips with ketchup and mayonnaise, but they are delicious. We're on our second bag, and Alia was just saying how lucky we are. We found this beautiful cafe. That was bees and live honey. There were live bees in that honey, and the lady was serving that. This is Plaza San Francisco. The sun out, blue skies, standing right in front. Music, loudspeakers blaring, people walking around, celebrating their long weekend in Ecuador. What a feeling. It's amazing. His Isa and Alia went in one of the toy piñata type shops. So I couldn't capture that, but as one of the last one was climbing the door, the bus started. So it's kind of like that. And that person was climbing up, and the bus started again. Look at this view. This is incredible. So Plaza San Francisco, pretty safe. The opposite of Plaza Grande right now, that one is really jam-packed with people and activity and songs. Here, it's nice and quiet. Quick tip for Ecuador. You want to make sure that you're wearing your backpack in front. In crowded spaces, both the police, because I went to them this morning, and our hotel staff told us, be careful, do not put your backpack on the back, do not hold cameras and stuff far away from your body, especially near roads, because that's where people on motorbikes can snatch it from you.
At Plaza San Francisco, and we're loving the whole vibe. Kids are having fun, and the weather is beautiful, and this place is so quiet and peaceful. And right in front of you, you have the beautiful church and the monastery, which is the most visited destinations of the historic center. Tourists are welcome here as long as they don't take any pictures. You can just, there is no entry fee. You can go in, take a look,
legend says that this was the first place where Spanish colonists planted wheat field here, and now it's a plaza with the church. We are continuing our tour of Quito on foot. We spent a lot of time in Plaza San Francisco. We actually went on a chocolate tour, learned about the history of cacao. Make sure you come back and watch that episode. Now we're going to head to one of our famous streets in Quito.
La Ronda.
So I read that they're creating a metro station. That's San Francisco. I can actually see metro there. It's closed. I don't know if they built it and they shut it down, but I read about that they were building a new metro line. I don't know what's about this place, but I'm actually really enjoying just walking around. Oh yeah, I was just saying, I don't know what's about this place.
I know.
I typically don't like crowded areas.
So what happens is most of the times when we are traveling and we are in this tourist area, you see the same typical tourist stores and this with the same souvenir shops.
Right.
This, we just saw a fabric store, which is like so unusual.
Yeah.
Which tells you that this is not just for tourists, it's for the locals as well. And
Right.
it's amazing, like if you see that store, there's shirts.
Yeah, it does feel like you're not doing something touristy. You're just walking around and for a day or two living like
A local.
a local, living in Quito as a local. How cool is
This
this?
is so
Yeah.
much fun. So now that we have done the Plaza San Francisco, Yumbos, we are on the street Sucre. From here we're gonna go to Guayaquil and go down straight towards La Ronda, which is like a nice happening place. So next block is our street when we go down.
And if you walk on Venezuela all the way up north, you're going to see that church, and that's our plan for either Sunday or Monday, that we're going to go visit the top tower of that church. We are walking towards Ronda. So as you're walking by, a lady actually stopped Alia and told her to let me know to be careful with my phone and camera because people do snatch phones and cameras here. So I'm gonna put the phone down until we find the street we're going to and then pick you guys back up then. We were looking for a street with a lot of flags hanging called La Ronda, but this is not it. Although I do see pizza.
It does say La Ronda on this side.
Yeah?
So we are headed there.
So we're heading back towards Plaza Grande. From time to time, we loosen up a little bit and we're relaxed walking around making this video. And then, somebody stops and tells us be careful with the camera and stuff. And then all of a sudden we have our guard up with the bags holding the kids. So it's a very mixed feeling with Quito. So far nothing has happened, but multiple people, including police, told us to be careful. We're checking the menu at Casa Manuela. That's all seafood. I couldn't find. The restaurant looked so good, really nice, but somebody got married.
That somebody got married there. Oh, that's cute.
So we're back in Plaza Grande. Now we are heading towards
Plaza Arso Bisbal. That's where we've been told there's a lot of restaurants where we can sit down and eat something, so we're gonna check it out.
Our tip was to come to La Vide because it has both Ecuadorian and international cuisine.
It's mostly seafood. You do have steak and lamb and chicken. But I do find for us, we have an option of eggplant parmesan and then you have the mushrooms au gratin.
Okay, so this is what the inside here looks like. Oh, this is what she was talking about. Look how beautiful this looks. After looking at a bunch of restaurants, I think we found one.
Let's see if we can get something here. Do they have a vegetarian section? Keep walking all the
Okay,
way.
so the only thing they had was raviolis. We're gonna go
Here.
check one last restaurant, but so glad we came inside. Guess we're going to a table. Alia's learned a word for vegetarian, which is vegetarian. So we asked, the guy said yes, and now we're sitting down.
You always pick the best seat.
I think we are very happy with the selection of restaurant we picked. This place is called Cafe del Freo. Now, we haven't ordered anything, so how come we are happy? Look at this. It's surrounded by these amazing paintings and with a view of the courtyard. Thank you so much. A pesto spaghetti, cheese and jam sandwich, and honey. Isa got a cheese and butter sandwich.
Which is more like a grilled cheese sandwich.
He's having fries and ketchup. And then we got these onion rings, which I think, hands down, are amazing. They don't look
They're really good.
as good, because I was kind of hesitant. And there's something going on in there that's delicious. We weren't adventurous enough to try Ecuadorian food, but maybe tomorrow. So let's we got some candies. And our check came out to $34.32. Our dinner's done. We wanted to go back to the hotel before nighttime just because we were told it's not safe, but when we left dinner it got dark, and so we are here. This is reminding us of Montreal a little bit when we were walking around exactly a year ago on Memorial Day weekend. But tomorrow we have a full packed day. Make sure you come back and check out our new episode on going to the center of the earth. So we're going to be mindful of that because we are still getting assimilated, getting acclimated, or something made it. We're getting something, but we're getting used to the air and the lack of oxygen or whatever it is here. This is definitely one for the memory.
Did you see the ice cream? Oh my god!
What are you guys eating? Ketchup and mayonnaise? This is Grande Plaza or Plaza Grande?
Plaza Grande? I don't know. Let's see. Plaza Grande.
Okay.
Que nos gritaron maricas como
Hi.
We're eating chips and Coke.
So I was worried if Alia's mic was on as I was making my commentary in Plaza San Francisco.